Okay, this is the GreatStockPicks.com video from Tuesday. Now, I'm always torn between whether or not to even make a video when I don't really have anything too impressive, but at the same time, I don't want to not put a video out and have people think we're not in there finding ideas. There's just nothing that's really worthy of a highlight video. A couple bottom feeding plays today. NUAN pushing down right here. I called it right here at 2081. I'm sorry, 2581 with a dime stop. And over the course of the next hour or two, it went up to 2609. So about 30 cents on a dime risk. Plenty of time to put money in your pocket. Never really made us worry, but again, not really worthy of a wrap-up video, but in the interest of at least putting out a video. What's the term? It's all I've got. What else? That was NUAN. United Airlines, I also spotted as a potential bottoming play. You know I love bottom feeding. I get criticism for it. To me, it's one of my favorite plays. It's not the only thing I do, but if I had to pick a specialty, if you think about it, every stock puts in one price that's the low of the day every day, right? And so I like catching stuff that looks like it's bottoming because it gives you a crystal clear trigger and stop. And if you're wrong, then it takes out the low of the day and you're wrong. But there's no guesswork involved in these. And every once in a while we catch one where we catch the low of the day a lot. When I say the low of the day, I don't mean the low of day print, but within 5 minutes of the low, and sometimes they never look back, or at least never stop us out. United Airlines was one that I identified. See the increasing volume here? See the push down here on fives? You kind of had a shape change. Met all my parameters. And was at a significant moving average on the daily here as well. So it met a lot of our parameters. And I actually called it, let me switch candles here. I called it over this little green candle right here as a long 2083, 2066 stop. And, you know, these used to work pretty quickly. Lately, they're taking forever. But from 2083 went to 2129 by the end of the day. You know, on not much risk, and it never went back to our entry. So we caught the bottom on UAL. Caught a short-term bottom on Nuon today, but it ended up rolling over at the end of the day. And really nothing else to talk about. We added to a swing trade today, and that one's working fairly well. So that's it. I'm going to keep this short because I don't want to babble when there's not much to talk about. There is more financial news coming out, scheduled financial news that is coming out on Wednesday. So I do expect a little bit better market action and hopefully a more impressive highlight video from Wednesday's trading session. So until then, I'll stop babbling. We'll talk to you later.